There is a lot of money out there, you just have to grab it, okay? You just have to invest a bit of your time. For example, just follow these steps, do them exactly as I'm doing them, and you'll get a lot of money, guys. So hit that subscribe and let's go and do it. Of course, guys, wherever you live, you can get some money, okay? You can live in Nigeria, you can live in India, you can live in Australia, wherever you live, you can get some money for yourself. Let's just go and do it. First of all, I want to show you something, okay? If you go on YouTube and you type in self-improvement, you will find a lot of these videos, okay? And these videos have a lot of views. Just take a look at this one, 1.2 million views. This one has 3.3 million views. And a lot of people are watching these videos, okay? It's a hot topic nowadays. Everyone want to get that confidence. Everyone want to improve themselves. And the thing is that because this is so popular, it gets a lot of traffic. And a lot of traffic, of course, brings a lot of money. And that's what you need to know in order to understand this today's strategy, okay? We're gonna use these videos. We're not gonna make videos ourselves. We're just gonna use these videos which are already there, okay? We're just gonna manage them. So for the sake of this video, I have chosen to use a topic, for example, like this one. It is called How to Be More Confident, okay? It is a similar niche. I mean, self-improvement is also psychologically related to how to be more confident, okay? And that's the trick that we can use today. And of course, maybe this video, 13 million views, 8.6 million views, 2.1, 3.9, a lot of views as you can see, and we can use those videos, okay? So for example, let's not take the first one, but let's take this second one, which is Teddied. This is a good channel. You can just enter this video, and what you have to do when you come inside of it, you just have to go and you can copy this from your bar, or you can just go and you can click on share button, and then you can just click on this button, which is called copy. Of course, it is going to go to your clipboard, and now we are ready for the second step of this strategy. Now, this is the place which is going to get us paid after all, okay? This is called UII.io, so make sure you spell this one correctly. It's a bit tricky, okay? And this is the place which is going to get us money. So you see right here that you can get paid by every visitor who visits your URLs, okay? Now, this means that whenever someone clicks on your link, okay, whatever link that is, well, whenever someone clicks on it, they will lead them to a certain ad, okay? They will have to see an ad. Of course, they can skip the ad, but the important thing is that you get the money for it. Actually, UII.io is going to get that money from the ad company, right? But they're going to share the revenue with you because you have gotten them the traffic, okay? That makes sense? It is a nice option, real nice option. You can see that there is fewer ads, higher payout, okay? So they have partnered up with the people who pay the most money for their ads, okay? So there are not a lot of ads. And if you just go here and click on payment proof, you can see that a lot of people are already given that money, okay? Just take a look at this, 138 bucks, 26 bucks, 107 bucks. There are a lot of people who are already doing that. And just take a look at this, 500 pages of these. I mean, this is really good. You can, of course, choose PayPal. You can choose Payoneer. This website is really good, really good. I got a lot of money with this. It's a good website. And also my brother is using this website, so we both get the money from it, okay? Now, of course, the earnings are differentiated based on where the views are coming, okay? So that's going to be a bit different. So, for example, if you click on payout rates, you will see, and they say they have the best payout rates. Let's see about that. So if the views are coming from the Australia, well, per 1,000 views, you get $6. And that's a good strategy, okay? It's $6, it's good. And also for Canada, Denmark, Sweden, Switzerland, United Kingdom, and the United States, it's all $6 per each one of those, okay? Then goes France. You get $5 for France, you get $5 for Germany, $5 for Italy, and so on, okay? These worldwide deal, this is all $2 and $1. You don't care about these. We're gonna target all of these up there, okay, so we can get more money. So what do you want to do, guys? First of all, of course, just sign up for free, and of course, if you feel like it, hit our subscribe button. Thank you. Now, what do we want to do inside when we are on our dashboard? Well, we have to shorten that link, okay? We just click on New Shorten Link. And remember that video that we have found, how to be more confident? Well, this is the video which we are going to traffic, okay? This is our moneymaker. So as I've told you, share, click on copy, and then go to dashboard, New Shorten Link, enter that URL in here, and just click on shorten. You can add alias, but you don't have to. Now you've got, as you can see it, this is your link, okay? So whenever someone clicks on this link now, you get some amount of money, okay? And of course, you have to be patient, guys. 1,000 views is not gonna come overnight, okay? It's not a strategy that will make you like $1 million. No, this is not that, okay? This is like some extra money online, extra money income, so don't expect $1 million out of it. It's a good option, but it's not get rich quick thing, okay? So now what we want to do is we want to copy this, okay? We want to copy this link, and now we want to get the traffic for it. Now, guys, follow me closely. Firstly, go to Google and type in confidence article, okay? We need some confidence articles for this one, so you can just take the first right away, how to build self-confidence, okay? Now what you want to do is you want to copy this whole article, okay? Copy the article, and then what you want to do is you want to go to Google Docs. Just go to Docs, open new blank document, and then paste that article in here, okay? Just paste the article, and whatever it says, guys, in the end, okay? At the end of it, you're just gonna paste that link of yours. Of course, you're gonna make it bigger, okay? It's gonna be bigger. Just make it bigger so people can read it, right? But this is gonna go at the end, and you're just gonna write something like, this is the video which will explain this a bit more, and you can just do it like that, okay? And this is going at the end of it, okay? Just make this a little bit better, okay? It has to be better. Maybe you can add some colors, whatever. But the thing that you have to do is you have to have an article in front of it, okay? So it's gonna be like this. You're just gonna paste this, that, and now what we have article. Of course, article has to be a little bit less than this is. Just make that smaller, and then at the end of it, it is your link, okay? You can make this even maybe some other color if you want, maybe red. It's a good thing. So just beware of this. If this is not link, you can just select this and then right click on it, and then you can see here that this can be made into link, okay? So this has to be a link because people have an easier time to click on it, okay? Click on insert link, and then it is now clickable, okay? It is gonna make you money. So now just click on file and now download this as a PDF document or Word, whatever. And then, guys, go to this website, which is called slideshare.net. And if you type confidence in here, you will see that a lot of people are sharing this, okay? A lot of people are doing this, and this website has a lot of traffic. That's why I'm suggesting you to it. A lot of people are gonna see this. They're gonna click on your Google Doc file, and then they're gonna click on this, and then you make money, right? Just take a look at this. This is the exact reason why I'm telling you this. Slideshare.net has 82 million total visits per month, and that is your traffic. And as I've said, traffic means money, guys. So now just go and use it, and I'll catch you later.